Hi everybody, welcome back to Tam Predicts. This is another reading. There are two piles here. See which pile are you getting more drawn to, the blue starfish or the pink starfish. So I'll give you messages for the next 48 hours, channel messages. I've also got some charms here. Though you can't see the black ones, but I took out some charms and they have a meaning, so I'll use them later. But concentrate on the file. Why did I say file? Okay, concentrate on the pile, whichever one that you are getting attracted to, and we'll start what's going to happen in your life in the next 48 hours. Also remember, this is a general reading, might or might not resonate. Few messages might resonate. Also do whatever is best in your situation. Take the guidance and use it to see how you can really improve your situation. Remember that. Also remember that right now do not take much stress because it's a COVID time. A lot of people are going through a lot of stress. Take care of yourselves and stay happy, be happy, and meditate if you can. It'll make you feel better. So let's see whichever pile you are, just you can pause the video and see whichever pile you want to choose. Also, people who are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. I'm a psychic tarot reader. I read intuitively. I work with spirit guides, ascended masters, and my like I said, spirit guides, ascended masters, and my archangels. So that's how I work, and let's start the reading. Also, before I forget, please join my channel. Please take the membership if you want to. If you like my videos, you will get special videos. It is for only for members can see the videos. So see if you want to take the membership. It's totally up to you. Thank you so much. But yes, do like the video. So let's start the reading. I don't know why, but I want to start with this pile. If you've chosen, I'm going to call it pile number 1 or the one with the blue starfish. Let's see what are your messages here. These messages that I got from the charms, I don't know why I got a lot of black. So next 48 hours, I don't know, it's like a blackout or something to do with black color. I don't know if you like black color or you wearing black color while I was talking to you. Or the other channel message I get is that, either your monitor will go black or, probably one of your gadgets will stop working. I don't know why I get that because I got a blackout. So let's see what are the messages. I'm going to put the cards here so you can see them. Also turning a new leaf. I'm going to use that for both the piles because that's the charm I got the charms for both the piles. Some of you turning a new leaf in 48 hours, doing something new. I also got movement. I got these balls. It could be wheels. There's a lot of movement. I also got plugging something. Putting a plug to something, stopping something. It's very small, tiny, but here I'm holding it out. Stopping something is what I get in 48 hours. I don't know if there's a leak in a tap or any situation you like, I want to put a stop to this situation, I don't want this to continue anymore. It could be positive way or negative way. It is depending on the situation you are in. I also got a lot of red or maroon. Probably you'll be wearing this color, or probably you'll buy something of this color, or probably you'll see this color a lot is what I get. I also get you'll see a lot of 555. I also get a lot of 888, and I also get 111. I don't know why I said C. So yes, you will see a lot of 555. So let's see what are your messages, and let's start the reading for pile number 1, the blue starfish. So this has come reversed. So like I said, you're done with information. I think you received too much information. Somebody's talking too much to you. There's a lot of back and forth. Either it could be because of a project, you're like, I'll put a stop to it. It has to end in 48 hours. This can't keep continuing. There's something which was continuing and you weren't really feeling good about it, Though continuation is a good thing, but this is something going on and on and on, and you got tired of it. So it's like you're getting nothing out of the situation. I don't know what it means to you. You'll know better because you're in the situation. This is getting nothing out of the situation. You're like, I want to put a plug on this. I want to stop this. And the other message that I get is movement. So you want to put a stop to it and probably find a new direction, or you're done with that situation or that person or that job. So you're like, I don't want this anymore in my life. So this is focused intuition. Yes, you're getting more focused. I think you were so confused in this situation. You're like, I want to put a stop in this situation because I have the channel messages. You have a feeling that there is no outcome to it. So you're like, I'm going to stop that situation. Too many downloads, uploads, understanding, back and forth. I cannot handle this. It's over. Let me be more focused. Let me be more focused, probably on a new direction. Could be a relationship also, on a new person. You're like probably somebody requires your focus, and this is giving up what is confusing you is the channel message that I get. Totally very strong woman power. I don't know, I feel you very strong. You become stronger. Some a few months back or a few weeks back, you were pretty weak, but this is suddenly you become much stronger in the next 48 hours. I don't know, it's either through meditation or what, or you've got hold of the situation, you're like, I'm going to change it, and I'm like this woman is so much in control, very powerful. You've given up all the weaknesses or whatever was binding to you, binding you to a situation. Yeah, you were not feeling love in the situation. So next 48 hours is you I have a channel message that you are going to just think from your head. Okay, it's like, the you're done with thinking from the heart and getting emotionally upset with things, and showing too many emotions. But I feel a very powerful woman here going through change. I also did on my YouTube channel there'll be a reading today, shorts. I don't know, the 15-second video, exactly what came. It was stillness. It was like things weren't moving. The situation was confusing, but you're like, I'm going to, it was a rebirth card after that. And it was like, because the communication wasn't there. So maybe in 48 hours, that's what you're going to sort things out, or probably it's love and care, not in the relationship. And you're more focused on yourself right now. That's another message. That's why you're more confident, because you're loving yourself first, and that's more important. Yes. So this was, I feel this is so much of a past situation, because I'm going to keep it here, and this is so much past. This is like you were not taking care of yourself. You were not discovering your own gifts, your own uniqueness, your own individuality. So you were dancing to somebody else's tunes. That's another message that I get. And this is so much in control, guys. Yes, this is so good. You moving beyond your current challenges. That's why probably I did the rebirth reading in the morning. So current challenges, you face them, you faced your fears, and you're moving on. See it, focus on what you desire. So probably you didn't desire that particular person or job or whatever that thing anymore. You're so focused, you're going to do what you like. Okay, it's like your heart is in control. You're like, I'm going to listen to myself, my intuitions in my mind. Your heart is totally in control. And you have the faith. This is under the deck. This is the faith card. It's restored your faith. I'm going to say it's restored your faith in yourself. You were losing faith. Oh, that's a channel message. You lost faith with someone. So someone lost. Why would I say faith? Someone did you wrong. You don't trust the person anymore. This one almost, yes. So someone was two-faced. This is what I get. Someone was trying to be two-faced, and you were done with dealing with the energy. Or this is you becoming. The other message that I get is this is you. This is a different you, dealing with a different you. Yeah, you're in command. Look at this, totally in command. Call to action. You're going to take action in 48 hours. You know what to do. You understand the situation. This is so good in energy that I'm getting so positive. Look at the faces. This is somebody totally in control. You're going to command. It's like a commander. You're going to command things. You're going to command your life. Could be things were falling out with a partner, but things are going to be right. This is you much more in control. And I don't know if you like white lilies. That's what I'm picking up here. But this is in balance right now. You've got everything in control. You're like 48 hours I have. It's like almost you had a deadline. Why did I think of that? Suddenly that popped in my head. So you have a deadline for something. Somebody's given you 48 hours to think something, or you've given somebody 48 hours. This almost jumped out. A year from now. A year from now. If you had a question in mind, this is your answer. A year from now, things will improve. Imagine this. This is, if you're starting a business, okay, that's another message that I get. If you're starting a business with someone, or you are working with someone, this is a very Gemini card. I get a very twin energy from here. Things will improve a year from now. Let things get better. Let the world heal. Business wise, it's going to be good. Money wise, it's going to be good. But I get a year from now. Choose a new direction. Exactly what I said when I started. It is about choosing the right direction right now. So in 48 hours, you are you know what you're going to do. You've given up on what was not happening in your life. You're not going to pursue that anymore. The big happy change is exactly what this is, turning a new leaf. Big happy changes, you know, plugging something that wasn't in your life. That's a stop to it, you know. Movement, things are going to go on. Or probably somebody did ghost you, or, you know, you didn't know, like a blackout, not really a blackout, but yeah, you didn't know what to do, but suddenly, you know, you have this thing that I have to change things for myself, believing in yourself. I'm going to give you one more card from this. This is at the under of the, this is the last card of the deck. It says life force. Express your passion. Express what drives you. You have to do that. It's all about believing in yourself right now, and you're doing that. And look what's under the deck. Remain positive. So you're on the right path. You don't have to worry, guys. I don't think there should be any worry. Everything is going right. And 48 hours, it's going to be fantastic. It's going to be life changing for you. I don't know why I said that, but yes, it makes a lot of sense. They're going to be life changing because the cards are so similar. So thank you so much for this, for staying here and listening to this. I hope 48 hours are fantastic for you. That's what I get. And for people who've chosen pile number 2, I'm going to call it the pile number 2. With, if you've chosen the pink starfish, let's see what all messages I have for you. So, like I said, black is going to be an important color, and I got a lot of, like round balls or wheels, you can call them. So there'll be a lot of movement. I also get a balance of two opposite things. You know, if two opposite things, you know, meeting together for, I don't know, probably you weren't coming into a consensus. You know, there were different talks going on, decisions. You know, not one particular thing. People were moving in different directions. I think things will be aligned right now. Red is going to be an important color for you for the next 48 hours. It's going to be a lucky color for you. I don't know why I get that. Red. Turning on a new leaf. Or I don't know why. For this pile I get, this is moving on. Or from August you weren't very happy with something last August. This is next 48 hours. So whenever you listen to this, this is a timeless reading. So this is what I get. I also get you're going to get something new in your life. Let's see what your cards say. This is some new opportunity, something new happening. You know, something new. You know, something you've done with, something, a new beginning. I get a lot of new energy here. I don't know why I get the word new a lot. Oh my God, this is focus. It almost fell, but I'm going to take this. This is focus. Let's keep it here. This is focus. This is activation. A lot of new things. Going to start in start suddenly. You will not even realize it. If you stay focused, things are going to move very fast. I think all you need to do is stay focused right now. I get a lot of air and earth sign here. I also get water. In fact, I'm getting all the signs. For all the 4 signs, 48 hours is going to be very important. Especially I get for air and earth. Air and earth. Lot of action happening next 48 hours. You're pretty much vulnerable right now, so that's why probably you need to focus. Okay, don't spread yourself too thin. Okay, it's like stay focused. I get taking on too many things together. Don't do that in the next 48 hours. It's like, okay, I'll do the job. Okay, I'll do the job. Or it could be, you know, I'm going to talk to this guy online. I'm going to talk to this guy online. Don't do that. I feel you vulnerable. Or somebody's don't let your secrets out. Okay, that's another channel message that I get. I don't know why I said this, but I get one of you gets hay fever or allergy. You are allergic to pollen. You're allergic to pollen. One of you missing the mountains. Big time, because I see mountains here. They seem too far away. Remember, this is a gen reading, so there'll be different messages. Sometimes it forms a story for one person. Sometimes it forms a story for the other person. Something new, like I said, a new beginning. Something, something very beautiful is starting. I get a lot of water sign. A new beginning with something, with someone. New things happening in your life. In 48 hours, I get a lot of water energy. This is what came in the morning. Also, I did YouTube shorts reading. So rebirth actually came out. So like I said, something new is starting. A rebirth of something. It's a plan that you did not want to, go ahead with. But this is You starting again, going back to the drawing board. That's not the message that I get. Is it with a relationship or work? It would, whatever fits in your situation, but it's going back to the drawing board. For some of you, the goal seems too far away. In 48 hours, for some of you, though you'll put in a lot of effort. I see a lot of activity, but still in your mind somewhere or in your heart, you think what you want could be a love life, any situation that's really far. I don't know why I get the word unreachable. Did you think about, did you think the word unreachable? Or is someone unreachable? I don't know why, because you were trying to call somebody's unreachable. It's a month of harmony. Like I said, I got black and white. Something's going to balance out whatever's happening. You're going to work well with people, okay? If the situation wasn't improving, because sorry for the notification, one person wasn't agreeing with you, I think things will be aligned. So this is butterflies, these are birds. You love nature. You're missing nature. Naturally, you're missing going out. I don't know why I get the word journey. Did you use that? Are you going to use it in the next 48 hours? Wanting earth magic, I told you this. I'm getting a lot of earth. So this is earth and water I got. So this is a lot of earth energy too. Wanting earth to heal really in your mind in the next 48 hours. I think you're going to help people. You're going to help people heal. Are you a healer? I'm getting a big healer energy. I'm getting an empath energy. Do you work with amethyst stone? Do you work with the stone? I'm getting a lot of, I'm getting a person who's a healer and an empath, or working with crystals. Do you work with spirit guides? The spirits are going to guide you in the next 48 hours. That's another message that I get. And I saw number 7. Yes, somebody's going to guide you in the next 48 hours. It's like almost hearing your own voice, knowing where to go, knowing which tunnel to take, because you know where there's light at the end of the tunnel, which tunnel to take. That's what I feel. Yes, there is transformation, there is rebirth, there is something new happening. Are you changing yourself for the good? You waiting for a new opportunity. In 48 hours, you're going to start something new. I don't know, I get a lot of I get the word heal. Are you healing someone? Are you getting healed? Change your perspective. I told you somebody's going to change perspectives to fit into the situation. Things are going to improve. If you are not coming to a conclusion or a decision, it's going to happen in the next 48 hours. You don't have to worry about it. Let's see, what are the messages? What are your angels saying? Sorry, just shuffle them again. I got the word bright light. I don't know what it means to you. You do not like bright light, or you're working with a lot of bright light in your home? Yes, whatever you had in your mind, it's in a yes. Maybe it's to start something new, maybe to take a new direction. Maybe you said, is it right? Is this direction right? Or will I get married to him? Or whatever was on your mind. Will my legal battle be over? Anything? Will I get healed? Ask your angels. I told you, your angels will tell you in 48 hours what's going to happen, because there will be divine intervention. You will know it. You'll know it. It's not necessarily that, sometimes angels nudge us to do something, and angels don't appear, around everyone, because you can get scared with voices. So there are different ways angels are going to tell you. Probably a feather. Do you have a seashell at home? Probably a feather, seashell. I don't know. Just listen to the voice of the wind, or the angels through the shell. That's what I get, because I feel it's a big yes, and you will know. You will get, see, it's like almost the angel guiding the person. You will know what to do. I know why the other message that I get is beyond my control. Have you left it to the gods? You've left it. It's like nah, I cannot do anything. It's what the gods can do. Remain positive. That's in the end of the deck. What else can I say to you? Look for a sign. What else do you want? This is such a blessed reading, guys. There is a sign. You're going to. That's why I meant bright light. See, look at the bright light here. Now I know why I was thinking of a bright light. It's almost like, or something is going to strike you like lightning. An idea, and you'll know this is right. You'll know it. Next 48 hours, you will know what to do, because your angels are there with you. It's a yes, big yes. This is a beautiful reading, guys. Thank you so much. All the best, and I hope you enjoyed that reading. I'll be back with another reading. Please write in the comment section, and any kind of videos that you would want me to do. And if you enjoyed my video, also to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day. Bye.